everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today's video is extra exciting for multiple reasons. One, we're opening up a brand new beauty box for our channel, and two, there is a giveaway in this video, so stay tuned to learn more about that. So we're opening up the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Look how fun and shiny and pink the box is. Love it. So this is a bi-monthly beauty subscription, something I love. You guys know I'm totally into the bi-monthly subscriptions. It is $34 every other month. They did provide me with a code, non-affiliated, meaning I don't make money, it's just to help you guys out, that will save you 10%. So I will link that down below if you are interested in subscribing. So before we get more into the box and the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love beauty boxes, subscription boxes, all of that, I would absolutely love if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So today we're opening up the June/July box, and in every box they feature one creator, one influencer, one brand, and this month I believe is Manna Kadar. Yep, so on here it says each bundle features one beauty brand. Oh, and yeah, so this is Manna Kadar, but in the next box, it will be all Purlisse. It says it will be their complete watermelon facial collection in body scrub and body butter, just in time for Watermelon Day on August 2nd. Wow, that's super exciting. I've tried a few things in the Purlisse watermelon line, and I thought they were great. So that would be awesome to try out more. But yeah, anyways, let's get to the unboxing, and then we can talk about that giveaway. So this box was sent to me free for review. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. It says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you." And then there is a card on top. And look, there's Manna Kadar, right? I think that's her. Yeah, it says, "Hey Manna babes, I am thrilled to be partnering with the AIA, or American Influencer Award Beauty Bundle, to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your new Manna Kadar beauty goodies, as these are some of our favorite products." Nice. And then on the back, it shows all of the items and also gives the retail price. And wow, this is going to be a high retail value. So here's a sneak peek of what is inside. Let's start with this. This is like a facial mist. Oh yeah, the packaging is beautiful. I don't know what's different. I think I set up my camera to be a little farther than usual. I don't know. Did not mean to, but hopefully you guys are seeing everything okay. And by the way, I filmed several videos today, so if I'm looking the same, that's why, whatever. So this is, I was gonna say the brand. Everything's Manna Kadar, or Manna Kadar. Is it Manna or Manna? I think it's Manna Kadar, but correct me if I'm wrong, please. So this is the Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. Known as one of the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. These ingredients, such as calcium, zinc, copper, magnesium, and potassium, are known for their ability to help soothe, cleanse, revitalize, and strengthen the skin. Wow, we get a lot of product here too. I had to 6 fluid ounces, or 180 milliliters. And this mist has a retail value of $19. It's a hydrating formula that helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. Let's see what the mist is like. And I'm just looking at the ingredients right now. Seawater, aloe, rose. Looks like it will be fragrant, but I don't see any like denatured alcohol or anything like that, so that is good. Oh, that seems like a really nice light mist. My computer's right here, but the mist seems so fine. And it says, shake well, hold arm's length, and mist the face 2 to 4 times in an X or T formation. I just learned that. It's such a good way for setting spray. So just go like this. It's a very fine mist. I like that. And it definitely is fragrant, but it smells good. It has like a rose scent. Let's see if it left any like spots on my face. Nope, I definitely look more hydrated, but it doesn't like leave any noticeable droplets or anything like that, so that's nice. So yeah, like it says, you can definitely use it over makeup. You know, sometimes they say that, but it's not always true. This, I would say for sure. Ooh, it looks like we have some Lash Serum. Nice. I actually use Lash Serum like every single night. And I don't think the one I'm currently using is doing anything, so I would love to try this one out in the before and after photos. They're crazy. I mean, I'd be happy even with the before. So Luxe Lash Serum. Lashes appear thicker, shinier, and healthier look to your lashes. So it says you can apply it 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. Allow the serum to dry completely before applying additional lash products. It's supposed to make your lashes fuller, longer, and healthier. Nice. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like such a cute applicator. And wow, this serum is $29. It's made with non-irritating proprietary blends of proteins and peptides. How cute. And look, it's even like bedazzled. Nice. I will definitely start using this once I'm finished with my current one, which I think I almost am, so perfect timing. Wow, there's still 4 more things to go, so we have 6 items total. Next up, we have a mascara. This is the Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. It says it won't weigh lashes down and lashes appear fuller. I like the packaging on all of these products, how they're pink. And on the back it says, if drama is what you're looking for, look no further. The Mascara Volumizing Mascara has major drama with a creamy formula that won't dry lashes out. The custom wand reaches all the lashes, keeping them separated and defined, allowing you to score the perfect flutter. And this mascara is also $29. It says the custom wand reaches every part of the lashes. Let's look at that wand. So here is the packaging. And there is the wand. So I will definitely have to keep you guys updated once I try all of these items. If you guys have tried anything by Mascara or what we're opening today, please leave a comment down below and let us know your experience. I know I've received a few of her products in past subscription boxes, but none of these, and I think they're like lip products. Sorry, my hair is bothering me. Next up, ooh, I'm excited about this. It's the HD Perfecting Powder. This is, again, $29. It says create a matte, silky, smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. Nice. If I can get this open. I have these press-on nails and some have fallen off already and had to re-glue them, so I'm being like extra cautious. Let me get my scissors. I could probably use some powder right now. So this is what the compact looks like. There is a safety seal. There's a mirror. And there's the powder. So that's what it looks like on my finger. But I'm guessing, yeah, it blends right out. Whoops, I have remnants of an old swatch on my hand. I don't know why I have the urge to smell it. It doesn't really smell like anything. And we're gonna try a little bit right now. Wow, I think that definitely is helping. I'll just do it on one side of my face to compare. So powdered, not powdered. Can you guys tell? Because in this mirror I could totally tell. And it does seem to be translucent on the skin. Hey, I'm really excited about this. Next product, it says Step 3 Perfect Uptown 3-in-1 Highlighter, Shadow, and Blush. This is $24. It says multi-purpose, time-saving compact, can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and a shadow. It features 2 textures, matte and pearlized. They glide on smooth for easy application and a glowing finish. So here's the outside compact. Oh, safety seal just dropped. So again, there's a mirror, which is nice, and here are the 2 shades inside. Ooh. These are pretty. I'm excited to try these out. Very pretty. Let's see if it's buildable. Yep, it definitely seems like it's a buildable formula as well. Awesome, I'm so excited for everything. We have one item left. And this is the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. This has a retail value of $24. I love how everything in here is something I don't have or have never tried before. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a pretty color too. It says, built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain. It's infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. It doesn't seem like it's scented. And it has just a typical doe foot, I would say. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. That is my type of shade. It's like a dusty rose shade, I would say maybe. Awesome, I'm so excited about this. You guys, this box was so great. I loved it. I can't wait to try every single item. The one item I did try, the powder, I think it did a great job, and I don't think it looks cakey or like it left any sort of color. Like, it really is translucent like they said. If you guys have tried it in a different skin tone, please let me know. Is it translucent? Did it work well for you as well? But that was everything. I'll leave the total retail value on the screen. Definitely way more than the $34 or less if you use that discount code to save 10%. And remember that the next box in August will be all Pure Lease items. So now let's talk about that giveaway. So American Influence Awards, or I want to just call them AIA. Actually, American Influence Awards Beauty Bundle might roll off the tongue easier for me. But they were kind enough to offer to host a giveaway with me for you guys. And it is not just any giveaway, it's a huge giveaway. One of my subscribers will win a beauty bundle from them that has a value of $500. They will be shipping it themselves to you. Otherwise, we'll be running the giveaway like I normally do. They actually included like a sneak peek photo, which I will put up here if you want to check that out. But let's go over the rules in case you haven't been around and aren't familiar with my giveaways. My giveaways are open to all of my subscribers. So number one rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel. And the second rule is that you have to like this video. And 3, leave a comment down below. You can answer any of the questions I've already asked if you need something like some ideas, like if you've ever tried Manicadar, and if so, what was your favorite product, least favorite product, maybe something about Pure Lease. Really, you can leave a comment about anything. And what I'm going to do is I am going to use a random comment generator, so it'll randomly pick a comment for this video, and then I will make sure that that commenter followed the rules, so they're a subscriber and they liked the video. And after that is completed, I will pin the winner's comment, reply to the winner, and they will have 48 hours to get back to me. And if I don't hear back at that time or in that time frame, I will select another winner. Once I hear back from the winner, I will get their information and forward it on to the company, and they will send you your beauty bundle. So I want this to be open longer than a week just so people get a chance to see this video and everything. So let's see, what day should this end? And all of the rules will be down below as well. If you have any questions, you can also just ask me. So how about we have it end on July 24th, and then I'll have it end like 11:59 Eastern Standard Time, like PM. So I will pick a winner the following morning or the following day on the 25th, and yeah. Good luck, everyone, and thank you, American Influence Award, for hosting this major giveaway. We love giveaways here on our channel, and this box was so great. I can't wait to see what they have in the future. Like, I'm honestly excited about every single item, which, I mean, I do get excited a lot because I generally just love beauty. I love subscription boxes, but usually I'm not excited about every single item. So, yeah, super excited. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you again for being here and unboxing this with me. Good luck in the giveaway. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.